You can't please everybody. The day I realized that, my whole life changed. Everything got better. You see, trying to make everyone happy is a losing game. You're never going to win. No matter what you do, somebody's always going to have something to say. And that's cool, let them talk. But here's the thing, you can't let the world dictate who you are. You can't let other people's opinions shape your life. The moment I stopped caring about what people think of me, I felt free. I don't give a damn what you think. You don't walk in my shoes. You don't know my story. So why should I let you control my narrative? Nah, that's not how I roll. You got to live for you, not for them. Stay true to yourself. Stay on your grind and let the haters hate. Their opinions don't pay your bills. Their approval doesn't get you where you want to go. So remember this, you can't please everybody and you don't need to. Just do you and keep it moving. That's the real key to living your best life.
Honey.
Madam, what are you carrying? Is it every time that you continue spending my money? Every time. As soon as my wife goes out of the house, she's coming back with a very big bag. Always. Every time. To be honest, we have to revisit this thing. Oh. I'm not joking. We have to revisit it. It's not a laughing matter. Just open that bag. Let me see what you've got now.
What is he saying?
Open the bag. Open the bag.
Oh, you guys. Leftover pizza. You're supposed to leave it for the children.
The children. The children.
One, two. Okay. Two.
You are going to sleep by more.
So long as we are alive, every day we buy things, we buy stuff, we eat. Don't you poo every day?
No.
It's evidence of you poo every day.
No.
It's evidence of eating every day. So that is.
I eat and I keep it inside my stomach.
You guys.